Example 4. Write a polynomial function. Carolina makes wind chimes to sell at the local street market. If Carolina produces a greater number of wind chimes, she can lower the price per unit. The function v of x equals 48 minus 2x relates the price v to the number produced x. The cost c of making x wind chimes can be represented with the function c of x equals 12x plus 64. Okay, do you know what wind chimes are? It's like decorations where you can hang them up, and as the wind blows, it'll going to chime. They'll sing for you. It'll make beautiful noises. So it looks like this. Not sure if you've seen it, but these are wonderful. So Carolina makes these wind chimes, and then she's deciding which price she should sell. So v of x relates the price to the number produced, and the cost equation would be c of x. So the price, the revenue, like how much you sell minus the cost, would be your profit. It would be the money that you take for yourself. So how many wind chimes should she sell each week to maximize her profit P? So let's write a function for revenue R by multiplying the price by the number sold, because price times how many you're selling would be the revenue, right? So yeah, 48 minus 2x would be the price to the number produced. So this is the whole price times the number sold x would give you the revenue, the total revenue you sold. And then you're gonna write the function for profit P, which is revenue minus the cost. So how much you get money, how much you sell, how much you earn by just selling, and then minus the cost of price you already paid will give you the profit. Okay, so 48 minus 2x parentheses x minus this equation now, 12x plus 64, would give you the profit. So we're going to simplify by using the operations for polynomials. You're going to distribute the property with the parentheses here. And then you're going to subtract the binomials. So minus 12x and then minus 64. Add the like terms and you combine them. And then we'll see that the profit function is negative 2x squared plus 36x minus 64. So if you graph it, we can see that the maximum profit she could get is 98 when the number of wind chimes sold would be 9. Okay, so the profit would maximize when she sells 9 chimes. So using this function, you'll be able to answer this question neatly. Her best business plan is to produce and sell 9 wind chimes per week for a weekly profit of $98. Okay, so let's look at try number 4. The cost of Carolina's materials changes so that her new cost function is c of x equals 4x plus 42. Find the new profit function, then find the quantity that maximizes profit and calculate the profit. So using the new equation, you're going to rewrite the profit function, and then using this profit function, you should graph it and calculate the maximum profit. So pause the video and come back when you're ready for answers. Okay, are you ready? All right, so using the profit equation, profit is the revenue minus the cost. So now your revenue is still going to be the same, 48 minus 2x parentheses x, and then you have a new cost function, right? So you're going to do the same thing, except your cost function is going to be different. So 48 minus 2x times x And then minus 4x plus 42 would be the new profit function p of x. And then you can simplify that by distributing these out. And then distributing your negative out as well. And combining like terms. 40. So this is 48 minus 4, so that's 44x minus 2x squared minus 42. So find the new profit function. Our new profit function is p of x equals negative 2x squared plus 44x minus 42. And using this function, you can graph and figure out that the quantity that maximizes the profit is your vertex. And that would be 11 wind chimes, and the profit is 200. So 11 comma 200 would be your final answer. If you don't know how to graph, you can use technology, but if you don't know how to graph, you should review how to graph from the previous topic. You need to, one way to graph is to convert your equation into vertex form, and then use the vertex and plug in points in your equation to find other points. Another way, you could just plug in points for your x values. So you can plug in negative 2 times 0 if you want to find which point you would have to graph for when x is equal to 0. So then it'll be negative 42. And then you can plug in other numbers to get other points. Okay, so you need to guess and check. Not guess and check. You need to pick your number and substitute to figure out the points one by one. So the quantity that maximizes the profit is 11 wind chimes. And the profit is $200. So that was example 4, and try number 4. Let's continue with the last example in the next video.